Hi, my name is Hadleigh, CEO and founder of SwipedOn. In this video, I'll guide you through how a modern visitor management system can help you save costs without affecting efficiency and productivity. With a visitor management system, you can efficiently manage your front desk without worrying about a visitor's line queuing up. Visitor management systems make your front desk more efficient without the need to budget for another receptionist. This helps your business and organisation save money on additional staff. Hiring the services of another receptionist solely for when there is a rush at reception is unnecessary. With a visitor management system, visitors can easily log themselves in, and notification is sent to the employee hosting them. Investing in a digital visitor management system is one of the first steps in achieving a paperless office. This gets rid of visitor sign-in sheets and logbooks and minimises supply costs. Ultimately, you also play your part in helping mitigate climate change by reducing consumption in your office. Here at SwipedOn, we plant a tree for every new customer with our partner organisation Trees That Count. Create additional space for your team, save yourself from the clutter of visitor logbooks, and ensure compliance to data privacy legislation. Can you recall the days when you needed to properly file your visitor logbooks in a room? Just imagine the pile of logbooks and paperwork that room may have contained. More importantly, the potential risk of confidential information getting into the wrong hands. Installing a visitor management system is a smart way of eliminating clutter and will result in a secure and organised office. A visitor management system makes searching visitor history and exporting reports easier. It also helps in improving your business's security while protecting against theft and other costly risks. The system automatically retains visitor information, which is stored securely in the cloud, allowing for fast and convenient visitor tracking. This makes the system one of the most loved applications by receptionists. With less distraction, a visitor management system promotes a productive workplace for your staff in the organisation. Through the aid of check-in software, your reception staff can focus their work without getting distracted. It assists your front desk officer as people can sign in on their own via the visitor management system and instantly notify hosts. Maintain a good first impression for your company while ensuring a positive visitor experience. A visitor management system will send you an instant notification upon your visitor's arrival, giving you the ability to respond accordingly if you're running behind time. As needed, you can also forward the email delivery notification to a co-worker so they can easily be alerted if your much-awaited visitor has arrived. Finally, as a building manager, you rely heavily on what contractors say when receiving their invoice. However, how are you sure that the number of hours worked on a particular building or office repair is accurate? A visitor management system can automatically log the time when a contractor arrives and leaves a premises. This helps you better gauge how much time they spend on a particular project, so you'll eliminate unnecessary contractor costs. This simple bill verification can save you money for the entire year.